Today, more than 4,000 new cases of COVID-19 were reported here in Ohio. There also were 9 new deaths reported and 101 new hospitalizations. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Brittany Bailey. Well, the pandemic is far from over as our nation prepares for new leadership. President-elect Joe Biden released a plan to tackle COVID-19. 10 TV's Stephanie Stanovich asked a local doctor to weigh in on what that plan should include.
On Saturday, people all over the world took to the streets in celebration. This comes after news of projected win for the president-elect Joe Biden and Vice President-elect Kamala Harris. On the same day, other sports celebrations happened as well.
I think that we're in for a lot of new cases. I think that people are tired of being held back from celebrating life. I mean, that's understandable.
The Biden-Harris administration is working on a COVID-19 task force plan. It includes ensuring that all Americans have access to free testing and provide more resources for schools, businesses, families, and older Americans. Dr. Layla Javidi's recommendations.
If I were on the task force, I would be working to incentivize compliance, essentially.
She says there needs to be a lot of buy-in from a personal standpoint and from a medical standpoint from employers.
Let's say some employer that has a lot of warehouse employees. Right now, they're not incentivized to essentially allow for their team members, their employees to quarantine when they're exposed. Those individuals who test positive for coronavirus, they have to go through hoops in order to keep their job.
The president-elect's plan also mentions treatments and vaccines.
I think that a big thing also is going to be to increase the transparency, especially in the pharmaceutical industry. We need the American people to feel confident that if there is a vaccine, it is going to be safe and effective.
The Biden-Harris administration plans to make sure that politics play no role in determining the safety and efficacy of any vaccine, but rely on scientists and data.
I think what everybody has to realize is that there's no political gain in this situation to do anything but succeed. And right now, it's imperative that we allow for our potential new leaders to lead us, and we need to be able to be open to new ideas.
Reporting in Columbus, Stephanie Stanovich, 10 TV News.
And we will post President-elect Biden's full plan on our website at 10tv.com.